Good day everyone. Today I want to talk about the importance of our subject, Disaster Readiness and Risk Reduction or DRRR. It teaches us how to remain safe before, during, and after disaster. In a country like the Philippines, which is usually visited by typhoons, experiencing floods and earthquakes, among others, DRRR is not just a lesson but a life-saving skill. We learn through this subject how to prepare an emergency kit, how to design an evacuation plan, and how to calmly respond in perilous situations. DRRR help us realize the worth of awareness, discipline, and assistance towards other people. Most importantly, it reminds us that safety is everybody concern. We can be able to protect ourselves, our family, and the community by gaining knowledge of the subject. Thank you.